Right, here we've got one on fractions, decimals and percentages all together. So again, let's make it a bit bigger for you. Go up. Pause the screen, write them all down, have a go, see what you get. What colour are we? Blue. Right, so fill in the table below. Right, so what do we know? 50%, 0.5, a fraction, that's a half. A quarter is 25%. 3/4 is 0.75. A fifth, 0.2, is 20%. A tenth, 0.1. 5%. So this is half of that one. So that must be a 20th. 100, 100th, 1%. 0.01. And 100%, a fraction would just be 1 over 1, I suppose, or 100 over 100, doesn't make any difference. Yeah. Right, now convert this to a decimal. Now 45%, we just divide by 100. So these few, we divide by 100. So that's 0.45. Divide by, oh, no, we're the other way around now. So this one we multiply by 100. So that's 6%. That's to a fraction. Multiply, oh, hang on. Okay, so multiply by 100. No, let's do it this way. Do it this way. It's a quicker way. That is in the tenths column. So this will be 7/10. And 91 hundredths to a decimal is going to be 0.91. 22 over 110 to a percentage. Ooh. We can use the calculator. I was thinking, oh my god, 22 divided by 110. So 22 divided by 110 times 100 equals 20%. Oh, got some more. Okay, right. Convert 59% to a fraction. So that's 59 hundredths. Which is greater, 92% or 90.96? Well, if we say that's 92%, and this we multiply by 100, then that will come up as 96%. So the greater is 0.96. Which is greater, 5/4 or 0.123? Well, 5/4 is 5 divided by 4, which is 1 1/4, which equals 1.25. So this is greater than this, so the answer is 5 over 4. 13 over 25, or 0.5. Okay, 0.5 is 5 out of 10. Yeah, 5 out of 10, because that's 5/10. Now, this one, let's multiply this by 4. Then I'll get something over 100. So that will be over 100. And 4/13s. Let's come over here. 13 times 4. 4 3s is 12. 4, 5. So this will be 52 over 100. And this one I'm going to multiply by 100. Multiply by 10, sorry. To give me 50 over 100. So which is greater? This one is greater. 13 over 25. You've got to make them the same. Doesn't matter whether you make them decimals, fractions or percentages, as long as you make them the same. So 18%, let's make this to a decimal. Divide by 100. 0.18. Right, so 0.2 is bigger than 0.18, so 0.2. 83% or 17 over 20. Well, that is 83 over 100. Yeah. This one, let's multiply by 5 to get that over 100. And 5 17s, don't know what that is. 35 by 85. So that becomes 85. So the greater one is 17 over 20. Always remember to put the answer as what they give you in the question, not your working out. Otherwise you won't get anything for it. Right, which is greater, 26 over 40 or 68 over 100? Let's have a look. So let's have a look. Let's divide top and bottom by 2. So we've got 13 over 20. This is 68 over 100. And if I multiply that by 5 now, we get that as something over 100. And we need 5 13s. 3 5s are 15. And 5 65. So that's 65. So 68% is bigger than 26 over 40. So 68%. Quite difficult to mess around with it. Okay, right. Fractions, decimals, and percentages. Okay, that's that one.